Hot Wheels Monster Trucks fan favorites. Bigfoot, the ride truck, new for 2021. On the back of the card, we have Bigfoot, 4x4x4, a nice picture of the ride truck. Name, Bigfoot truck type, pickup strength, car crushing shocks, crash attack is the original stomp. The other trucks in this series, here we go. Venomized Hulk, there's Bigfoot, Shock Reek, 18, Chevy Camaro SS. And then down below we have Scorpedo, Snakebite the green version, Race Ace, and Torque Terror. So let's go ahead and unbox the ride truck of Bigfoot. Here is the green recrushable car. It is the rubber version, which I like better. Here is now the Bigfoot. That would be awesome if they'd made a Bigfoot ride truck. But on the back, let's start on the tailgate there. You can go up inside. You see the seats in the back of the area to sit in. A little roll bar so people don't get injured. It has the orange chassis and that now new looking Bigfoot Hot Wheels type of body and all the different graphics. It has monster trucks on the back there, 4x4x4, Summit Racing, of course the Hot Wheels logo, also says Bigfoot. We have a 74, and I can't make out what it is there. There's Firestone in the front. On the grill, Bigfoot, and that's probably 4x4x4, I'm guessing. And then on the hood, right there, oh, there we go, 74/68, Monster Trucks, Summit Racing, Firestone, and another sponsor on the truck. Turn it around to the other side. There we go, to the other side of the truck. And of course the big tires and wheels on these, on the monster truck, Hot Wheels monster trucks. Here we go, up on the roof. Turn it around here. It says Bigfoot Hot Wheels logo. So there we have it, the ride truck of Bigfoot Hot Wheels. I haven't been able to find a whole lot of new stuff lately. There is something else that I did find. I picked it up and I'll be uploading it shortly. So thank you for tuning in.